Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Tinashe hair. Yes, last time I got a package from a wig from Tinashe. I loved it. So we're here with them today again. Same packaging as last time. I also got this bag, extra bag with goodies and stuff. All that's in the box here is the wig, which I'm so excited for. I'm so excited for it. My favorite texture, so you guys can tell already what it is. So this bag is branded Tinashe here, or Tinashe rather. Oh, I got a bonnet, nice. I got a wig cap. I also got two of these clips, a pair of lashes, edge brush and comb, and a rat tail comb. So that's a really nice little goodie bag there. Oh, in the box I also received you know, the regular pamphlet with the information how to care for the hair, has all their social media listed and all that good stuff. So yeah, so for today's wig, I'm so excited for it. Oh, it feels so lightweight, but it's, oh my gosh, this is so good. It's really nice and soft. Okay, so this is a 26-inch 13x4 lace front curly wig. So that's how it looks. It's 180% in density, but it really doesn't feel like super heavy. It's really soft. I love that. Look at the curls, nice and juicy, defined curls, and it's some inches that we're working with. I love this. Love this. So this is how the inside looks. It has a total of 4 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and it's also lightly pre-plucked. You can go in and pluck it more if you feel like. I really do believe that. So yeah, that's how it looks. Really nice. So I'm gonna jump into installing this.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I slipped on the wig and I jumped straight into plucking it. It's been a while since you guys see me pluck the front of any wig, right? That's because for, you know, a lot of the recent wigs, they come deeply pre-plucked, but this one today, it was very lightly pre-plucked, and I decided that I wanted more graduation, so I took my time, and I kind of wanted to kind of speed up the whole process, so that's why I'm doing it on my head, so I could just align it with my hairline, see how I want it to look. I didn't do like a super deep graduation or anything, but I just wanted to thin out the very front there a little bit more. As you can see, you know, I comb it back, I comb it down, and I just kept on eyeballing how much of the hair I really wanted to take out, and just kind of thin the very front out. Of course, you don't want to, whenever you're plucking, you don't want to stay in one section too long, because you don't want to, you know, risk the whole, you don't want to go ahead and like make a specific spot look bald, you know. So it's good to kind of like keep on moving your tweezer around like the hairline, so you don't end up, you know, damaging the lace or making an area look bald. So yeah, after I was done with that, and I had to do this right across the hairline because yeah, I felt like I wanted more gradation right across. So for my installation today, I actually used glue because I wanted my install to be snatch, and glue is just it for me right now. You guys know I've been loving my glue installs, and it just works out so amazing for me, like especially when it comes down to my edges. Like as you can see, I never ever apply the glue on top of my edges. It's so amazing because once I go ahead and remove my wigs, this does not affect my edges at all, you know, versus like when I usually would use Got to Be super consistently. That can end up drying out your edges, and you know, it's just a lot more pressure on my edges directly when I would usually use a Got to Be. But with the glue, it's a little bit more friendly when it comes on to that. As long as you never apply the glue on top of your edges, you will preserve it well. So yeah, so I did 3 layers. I don't think I got all layers on camera while I was doing it, and I like to seal in the glue with a little bit of Got to Be sometimes, not all the time, and I chose to do that today because as I just said, you know, I just eased up off using a lot of got to be. I do you guys still see me use the got to be to do installs, but like very short term, and I try to mix it up more with the glue install. So yeah. So as you can see, right after I was finished laying the hairline, I started to form my edges, and when I was doing my swoops and stuff, I said that, you know, I wanted to take out a little bit more from that area. So I'm just plucking away, thinning it out a little bit more. And listen, if you want to go in and thin it out even more to your liking, definitely go ahead and do so. You know, this whole plucking process is time consuming, and you know, just make sure you have some time on your hands to do that. So yeah, if I could change anything about this wig, I would definitely want them to like give it a deeper graduation right out of the box. That's the only thing. But so far, oh my gosh, I must tell you, the texture of this hair is amazing. It feels so good, and the curls are so defined. I love it. And despite it being so long, like, it's not heavy. You know, sometimes the longer the length of the hair or the wig, the heavier it's going to be. So yeah, it really was manageable, and so I love that about it. As you can see, I'm just proceeding to forming my swoop here, and I use Eco Gel. Yes, Eco Gel is what I've always used to form. Well, one time gone, I usually would use my mousse, but it takes a little bit more time with that. I just use my Eco Gel, and it's as easy as that, you know, as easy as that. I have no complaints when using my gel. It forms it quite easily, and I love it. So that's how that is looking. So once I'm done with that, I pretty much get my elastic band, and I further just I tie it around the hairline to kind of just melt everything in more, even though it's already so laid. But you know, you can never go wrong with going in with your elastic band to further lay everything. And because I was going to brush it out as well, I wanted to use the elastic band to just ensure that it stays in place, because remember, the glue really takes, any glue installation, at least for me from my experience, takes up to like 24 hours to fully seal down properly. So I just put my elastic band over it to further melt it away. Oh, look at that hair, gorgeous. So this is actually the next day, and the hair feels so good, it looks so good. And I decided, as you can see, I just have it pulled back here. And obviously I got glammed, as you can see, and I decided to do a part, because recently I remember I did a whole curly look, and I actually did a pullback look. So I said, you know, and that was just like last week, so I decided today to just do a center part, and I love it. It was so easy to just lay with my hot comb and everything. And I know you can see the wig cap there beneath the lace, but I camouflage it here with some concealer. You know, nothing you can't fix with some concealer. And then I re-wet the hair and go back through it with my paddle brush, and voila, that's it, guys. That is it for this wig install. It's so gorgeous, giving goddess vibes.
Guys, so I'm all done with the hair. It looks so good. This is exactly the look I was going for, that wet juicy look. It is everything. So shout out to Tinashe here. As you can see, initially I did a pull back, and then I said last week I had a whole pull back look, so I said, all right, let me just do center part this week, but I still wanted that wet vibe. And I just did my swoops. It looks so good. So shout out to them. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications of this wig in my description box, as well as the direct links. So if you're interested in getting this for your vacay, go ahead and do so. Or even if it's not for a vacation, you know, yeah, it's not heavy despite the length. And it looks really good. You don't have to do the whole wet look if you don't wish. You can go ahead and rock it dry. Into dry state, the curls are beautiful as is. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Hold you in my arms, I just wanna take the stress away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something